Hey guys, happy Monday. Today I'm going to do a little vlogging. I'm trying to get better at vlogging. So here we are. Let's see, it's just about 11. I went for a walk. I try to get in about 5,000 steps. I try to do 10,000 a day, but like before my day starts, I try to get like halfway there because I do sit a lot during the day. I've had like 5 million cups of coffee. I need to run some errands later. I need to clean my office. Look at this. I have this really bad habit of taking pictures of dresses in my client closet and sending them to clients and then just like not hanging them back up. So I have to do that. My desk is a mess. I've just been kind of busy, so things got a little out of hand. I need to clean my office. I need to run some errands for a video that I have coming up later this week. I need to go get some stuff for that, so that should be interesting. My kid's downstairs doing her schoolwork. She does schoolwork until about 1. But yeah, sounds super exciting. I figured I would bring you along. This is what being a photographer from home looks like, I guess. So right now though, I'm going to clean. Oh, and since it is 11, like I said, I already got some stuff done, and again, I'm not good at vlogging, so I did keep a lot of that out, but I've already uploaded. I had a shoot last night, so I uploaded the photos from that. I put up a preview. I have about 3 sessions that I need to edit. One that has to be done probably by tomorrow or Wednesday, and then the other 2 by the end of the week at best, so I'm just not overwhelming myself. I don't really like having a whole bunch on my plate and then I feel rushed, so I need to do that. But for now, we are going to clean the office because I have stuff to do and it's a disaster in here. My husband was already telling me how crazy it looks in here and how I work like this. So we're gonna do that first.
Like pillows and pavement, like an Yeah, yeah. No sleep in my body. Last night got me wasted. Yeah, yeah. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care. Yeah, don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Headache and sore throat, constantly hungover. Yeah. Eating all alone, sleeping on my own. Tell me how to be. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care. Yeah, don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
Okay, so I'm not going to get to run my errands today. I could, but I don't want to because the Dodgers game comes on at 2:08 and it is currently 1:07. I haven't finished cleaning this room yet. It's much better than it was. Look, it's much better than it was. Got a bunch of trash that needs to go out. So I got that accomplished. I got almost a full gallery done, so that should be done tomorrow. Yeah, I gathered some of the things that I need for the other video that I'm going to make this week. Answered emails. I did just about everything that I need to do except run errands, which I'll probably do tomorrow, or I might do them tonight still, but probably not because the Dodgers are the most important thing right now. It's really all I care about is watching the Dodger game. so yeah, I got enough done today. I'm gonna go do some laundry. It's super exciting. I am noticing that having to do, so I used to just have to worry about getting my stuff done, like working from home and then like obviously housework, but now I've added videos into something else to do into my week. My kid is at home doing her schoolwork instead of giving me all the time I need in the world by her being gone all day. But I don't know, I still feel accomplished today. I got enough done. We're gonna go with that. I got enough done. Did I get the most done? No, but I got enough done today, and that's really all that I can ask for. So I will probably check back in a little later. You said it's about 1 o'clock, so she'll be done with school soon. She'll probably have a snack. Dodgers come on at 2:08, I believe. Watch out, Atlanta, we're coming for you. So yeah, probably gonna sit here and edit a little bit more just until she's done with school. See ya for now.
It's here tonight. That's the limit. With about 10-5 in the seats, and then the rest up in suites. And instead of just playing for extra players and family, they now get to play for fans. Meaning he was probably sitting off speed and fought off the fastball away. This ball was almost by it by the time he just flipped at it.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I think I've waited all these years for you right here. But how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you. I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two.